Welcome to our great channel of the YouTube is Osmosis Academy. This side Kartika Srivastava, your favorite teacher and your Chota Bhai also. Okay, so never mind. So now we are going to start with the cell cycle and cell division. This is a topic that is we are going to deal in which it's a very first chapter of our class 11 bio. And what will be the mindset of this playlist that we are going to create as a separate thing that we are going to study about the bio, and as well as we are going to solve the NEET questions also. So NEET, my philosophy is very simple for the study. If you're going to prepare for hard, you're going to prepare for the easy thing very easily, and that is a tested thing. Okay, so let's start without wasting a single second also. So now the points are there: growth and reproduction. You know what is growth and reproduction. You right now you are in the age of growth only, and reproduction are the characters of the cell. Indeed, of all living means the all living thing is going to do this thing. All cell reproduce by dividing into two, with each parent cell means parent give rising to two daughter cell as they divide. So means this is a parent cell with a nucleus here and is going to divide into two daughter cell. Okay, now so we can say in other words, such cycles of the growth and division allow a single cell to form the structure consisting of millions of cells. You know our body is composed of millions of cells. Now let's start cell cycle. Okay, cell cycle sequence and coordinated genetically controlled. So what is the meaning of this thing? A very heavy, hefty words. Coordinated means first of all the coordinated things are there, and genetically controlled means genes are going to be involved. Okay, now the first point: during the division of the cell, DNA replication and cell growth also take place. Now this is the priority we should have it. Now a DNA replication should be there, and then there is a cell growth also take place. Now the sequence of the event in which the cell duplicate its genome synthesize the other constant of the cell eventually divide into two daughter cells and term as a cell cycle. So means a cell cycle means a parent cell that is divided into two daughter cell. As simple as that. Okay. So cell cycle. So cell cycle are divided into two parts, interphase and M phase. So they are saying that interphase and M phase are two phases in a cell cycle. So the cell cycle have the resting phase that lasts for 95% of the duration. A lots of things is there. 95. Cell is preparing for the division. Okay, phase between two successive M phase. Okay, this is a phase between two successive M phase. How many phases are there in interface? Three: G1, S, and G2. Okay, so now G1 interval between mitosis and DNA replication cell is metabolically active. Mind it out. Each and every word is very important. Now S, DNA replication, but number of chromosome remains same. Centriole duplicates in the cytoplasm. So this is the same. Now G2 protein form for the mitosis and cell growth is continuous. Now one more stage is there. We have gone through G1, that is this, sorry, G1, S, G2. Now one more stage is that is not mentioned, that is G0. Cell is which do not divide further. Example, heart cell. You know heart cell is not going to divide further. Okay. Metabolically active but no longer proliferation. Now let's have the thing. My notes are very rustic. I keep it very simple. Minimum to minimum things are there. Minimum graphic, but lots of knowledge and contents are there. Okay. So I am not that kind of person that is going to bloom the things into PPT. I'm that person is going to write it down and make the thing last less than 5% of duration. Actual phase when the division most dramatic period means dramatic means most drama like a thing. Na? Sometimes students make a most drama like a thing. This is also most dramatic thing. Reorganization of virtually all the components of the cell. Means the virtually things are there. Phase, how many phases are there? Karyokinesis. What is the meaning of karyokinesis? Splitting, splitting of nucleus. As simple as this. Now, cytokinesis. Splitting of nucleus karyokinesis. So, cytokinesis means splitting of cytoplasm. So, now this much of content is there. Let's deal with the questions also. Questions are the very important thing for NEET like thing. If we are going to prepare you for the NEET level, definitely you're going to have a good thing in your boards also. So, now this is a question of 2026. Match the following. This is question comes in a very frequent times. Okay. Now, G1, you know, we have studied right now. G1 is metabolically active and continuously grow, but does not replicate its DNA. Now, as synthesis of DNA occur and the amount of DNA doubles. So now we are going to say G A is going to be 2. Now answer is there. Let's say go for the deeper meaning. Okay. B is 3. Now C. C means G2, the protein synthesize. We have studied this thing also. And D is the actual cell division. Done. Chalo. Next question. This is the question of NEET 2024. Okay. Now, following the stages in the cell division, gap 2, cytokinesis, synthesis, karyokinesis, and gap 1. Choose the correct sequence. Okay. Now, the first thing is gap 1. We know G1. Okay. G1 is there. Then synthesis, then G2, then karyokinesis, and then cytokinesis. Are notes in a very systematic manner. They cannot appeal beautifications, but they are worthy enough. Okay. Now, the correct sequence again. The NEET question of 2019. This is the question of 2019. The correct sequence is G1, S, G2, and M. Easy. Now, identify the correct statement from the interpret. Each option is going to be read out. Then we are going to make a sense. This is a question of NEET 2020. Reorganization of cell component take place. Okay. Interface. Reorganization. This word is was in a M phase. You can see here. You know. These are the exact things we are getting. Cell is metabolically active, uh, but grow does not replicate its DNA. C. Nuclear division take place. Okay. D. DNA synthesis or replication take place. So our option is going to be B. Okay. Run the things. Now, let's go for the next thing also. In animal, the meiotic cell division is only seen in a diploid somatic cell. These are few exceptions in haploid cell divided by the mitosis. Male honeybee. Okay. As we go through, we got the options also. The fruit fly. Now, again, this is a question of NEET 2021. Okay. The fruit fly has a chromosome 8 each cell during the interphase of the mitosis. If the number of chromosome of G1 is 8, what would the number of the chromosome after aspirants? You know the chromosome number does not change. They are asking for the chromosome number. So if something is 8, it's going to be 8. Now, the number of the parents in progeny is going to be same. This is the line that is getting from here. And this thing also getting from there. Okay, now cell in a G naught phase. Again, a question 2019, and this is option A, exit phase. Now, you can see this thing. This is a question of re-NEET. You know, NEETs are going to be many times this year, and these things are also there. But this is a luck like a thing. You cannot change this thing. What we can make it out, this is a hard work and a study. Okay. Cell are metabolically active and proliferates. Now, this is the exact line from the NCERT. Okay. DNA application take place as protein synthesize G2. Question, metabolically active cell. Question says, question means stopping thing. Option. Now, question is there, NEET 2023. Statements are there, and this type of question is asked by NEET very prominently. You should know this statement like a thing. During G naught phase cell cycle, the cell is metabolically inactive. Okay, we have studied this thing. The centrosome undergo duplication in the interphase. So we know this statement is wrong and this statement is right. So option number C. Now this question is considered as a homework. Okay, I want this homework should be done and the answer should be discussed in your comments. Okay, so I want a positive feedback. If you can give it, this is very good. And what is the things you can like and comment about us also. Thank you guys. That's it.